Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar climbed near the key resistance at 64.20, buoyed by strong economic data from China, Australia and the US. Data showed China's Q1 GDP topped forecast at 5.4%, while Australia added 20,000 jobs in March with the unemployment steady at 4.1%. US retail sales also beat expectations, rising to 4.6% year on year, likely as consumers anticipated Trump's sweeping tariffs. Adding fuel to the Australian dollar rally, Fed Chairman Powell emphasized caution in the face of tariff-related inflation risks, noting that the Fed's commitment to monitoring developments. The US dollar, meanwhile, slipped further from 99.50 to 99.25, with a potential downside eyed around 88.94. A break under 99 could trigger the move. So looking at the technicals, I'm still holding the view towards 64 cents and reassess just in case we see a bit of profit taking. But a close above there could give us the next move up, which could be anywhere towards the region of 67 cents as a target. The euro, all eyes will be on the ECB's rate decision, which expects to deliver its sixth consecutive 25 base point rate cut, taking the rate to 2.65%. As we look at the technicals though, the market is showing a bit of divergence here, so we could see a pullback somewhere towards the region of 112.80 before the next step up, which I'm still bullish to 115 and reassess. The dollar yen, well, the market's finding a little bit of demand in front of that key level of 140, but overall I wouldn't get too long in case we see a short-term rally that rejects and crushes the downside and maybe breaking 140. Even though there is a bit of bullish divergence here, the ADX is still strong to the bear trend. So let's see how the market plays out. Sterling, well, the market was a little bit firmer, but nevertheless, still keeping an eye on that top side target around 133.20 to 133.30. Nevertheless, though, there may be a little bit of profit taking, but overall, I still expect to see the bulls continue to take this market higher. Wrapping up with commodities, well, the market made a fresh high, which was 3,357, and still keeping in mind the target of 3,500. Overall, though, safe haven demand is keeping this rally going, so no doubt nothing's going to change in the short term. Wrapping up with oil, a little bit more clearer to the upside as the market rallies, but we do need to see a break, that is, and once seen above 62.45, could see them move up towards $66 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoyed the great start to the day.